Welcome. In front of me is a LENOVO Tab One, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this tablet. So, to get started, you will want to open up the content that you wish to capture, so it's visible on your screen. And once you have that, you can then capture it. Now, I'm going to be using home screen as an example for this, and for me, it's already opened. So, once everything is prepped, hold the power button and volume down at the same time. You get this pop-up at the bottom with share, delete, and what was the last one? Oops, let's try that again. There we go. Share, delete, and scrollable screenshot. Now the scrollable screenshot isn't available in here because there's not really much to scroll down on. This isn't scrollable. The entire page needs to be scrolling down for this to be usable. So you can utilize that on things like, for instance, websites. Now, whenever you capture your screenshot, you can then find it in your Photos application. And the best way to look for your screenshots would be to navigate to Collections. And in Collections, you're looking for screenshots right here. And you can see here the two different ones that I have captured. So there we go. Now, I also want to point out one thing. You sometimes might encounter applications that will not let you capture a screenshot in them. Such applications would be things like Netflix, Spotify, and primarily bank applications. So this is done because, well, for Netflix and Spotify, which I mentioned, it's done because FU. For bank applications, it's done for your actual security. So the reason that matters is, for instance, if you had some kind of malware on your tablet that could constantly see what's on a screen, the same way that screenshots work, for instance, when you would open up something like a bank application and put in your PIN, whoever was spying on you with the malware would be able to see your PIN for your bank app. But with this kind of feature, you might not be able to capture a screenshot, but neither the malware can see what you're typing in, which obviously security-wise, it's pretty good. Where it doesn't really make sense is for things like Spotify and Netflix. They do it without your permission or even request for it. They just do because they can, and you have literally nothing to say. So because of that, I recommend using other alternatives that you can obviously find on the internet that will basically provide you the same service for free without the bullshit kind of handicapping with with features and blatant abuse of, well, not even asking for your permission. So anyway, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.